I was probably in the same position as you, watching hours and hours of YouTube videos, trying to learn from others, how to run Facebook ads, how to run an agency, blogging, cold calling, fucking dropshipping. I have seen it and tried it all, and nothing was working until this one business did. And it's the one that last year got me from $0 to $35,000 a month, just a few months of launching. So how can you make money online then? Well, you can only take money from someone else. And to take someone's money, you first need that trust. And to get that trust, you need time to explain. And to get that time, you first need their attention. All of the businesses that Alex and I failed were because we didn't hack attention and trust. The moment we learn how to hack it with a business model that I'm going to recommend to you in a second, it's the moment we start making money online. And what's even crazier is that because of that business, Luke Belma, which for the people that know him, reached out to us on Instagram to work together. So how is it that a multi-millionaire reaches out to two random guys on the internet who haven't even shown their face to work together? Well, it's because he noticed that we understood how to get attention and trust. And now that I got your attention, I want to give you as much value as I can in this video so I can earn your trust. So let me quickly explain what we did and what I recommend you doing. The business model that we ran last year was digital products. And it was one single digital product actually, which was making us over $35,000 a month. And because it was all digital, the profit margin was nothing like we've ever seen before. And the way we did that was by running Facebook ads to a faceless digital product. So for some context, mid-2022 is when we started a page called Lifer. You can go ahead and check it out. It's still there. We are not actively running at the moment, and I'll probably explain why later. But we started this page mid-2022 and it exploded on TikTok, whilst on Instagram was a little bit harder to crack. And by the end of 2022, so just a few months, we got to 800,000 followers on TikTok, whilst on Instagram we just got over 70,000 followers. So we learned how to crack attention. However, we started to realize that we built this massive audience, 200 million views, a loyal fan base, but we were still making no money. And so the next logical step was to sell a product. And because we didn't want to piss our audience off selling a shitty product from AliExpress that takes 20 days to deliver, we decided to create a digital product. And our page Lifer was all about improving your life because we were into the whole mindset and biohacking thing. So the first version of the product was literally just a few PDFs with all the hacks and things that we tried when it comes to improving your sleep, your focus, your nutrition, and all that kind of stuff. And because we didn't know if this was even going to sell, we thought to make this cheap as fuck, $9.99. And I wish we increased the price from the beginning, because as soon as we posted it on our social media page, on that day alone, we made $800 from one single story on Instagram. But at least that gave us the confidence to continue this digital product. So we kept working on the product, and eventually we added a pretty unique productivity Notion template, and we kept increasing the price. At this point, we were selling the product for $67, and people were still buying it organically on our social media page. But from here, we wanted to take things to the next level, and that's when we started running Facebook ads. And I'm not going to lie to you, you need a whole new approach to Facebook ads when it comes to selling digital products. And once you crack it, it's a money printing machine. For us, once we cracked it, we got to a point where we were making a couple $1,000s a day. But the only reason it was working so well is because we understood how to get attention and how to build trust. So we learned how to get attention through the ads, and we learned how to build trust through the landing page, through the offer, and through emails. So my recommendation to you is to master these two skills, and the best business model to do that is digital products. Whether you are selling information on a PDF, or you're selling a template on Notion, Canva, whatever it may be, even if you're selling a course, digital products are the least amount of headaches, because you don't have to deal with suppliers, you have much better profit margins, you can start for virtually free and make money relatively quickly, and you don't have to hunt for clients. If anything, we had people coming to us when we had the Lifer page, and we weren't even selling a service. We didn't have a service to offer, which is crazy. But that's the power of hacking attention and trust. Things come to you. So look, this is what I recommend you do. Build an audience first. Whether that's through a faceless page, which will probably get you a lot more attention, but it's harder to gain trust, or whether you want to do a personal brand, which will probably be a lot harder to get attention at first, but it's way easier to build trust and sell. And I say to build an audience first because that's 80% of the job. If you have an engaged audience that trusts you, you could literally sell anything. Even if you want to do e-com, agency, SaaS, whatever it may be. And Iman Gaji is a great example. He built an entire agency, he built a massive coaching program, and all of these e-com brands on the basis of attention and trust through content. He never did a single cold call, he never did outreach. So honestly, build an engaged audience and sell digital products. And you can start like we did with a very simple digital product at a lower price just to get your first sale and to break that limiting belief that you can't do this. And from there, you can take in any direction, whether it's improving the product and increasing the prices and taking it to a whole new level with Facebook ads like we did, or whether it's start to sell courses, or maybe you want to do a SaaS. Whatever it may be, this digital product business or this digital product model is truly the best one nowadays, especially for beginners. Because one, you collect cash very quickly and at a higher profit margin. But number two, if you learn the skill to sell an invisible digital product, you could literally sell anything else. So look, as I said, I want to earn your trust. So if you don't have an audience yet and you want to start learning how to get attention on social media, we have a completely free 2-hour course on social media that Alex has already released on this channel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a series of videos on this YouTube channel completely for free, teaching you from A to Z how to build a digital product business. And I'm gonna try and release this video for you guys as quickly as I can. So subscribe so you can see them on your feed as soon as we upload them. But if you want to start right away, click the first link in the description and check out Utopic Labs, which is where we teach people exactly how to build this digital product business. And that's where we also added plug and play templates, website, GPTs that we've built to help you throughout this whole process. And that's where you get a chance to ask us questions that are specific to you. So go and have a look and see if that's something that might interest you. Otherwise, we have the full free social media course that you can watch, and subscribe if you want to see the digital product video series that we'll be releasing on this channel. I'll see you soon.